Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's our progress so far on the Vk56 DE engine to Turbo 400 transmission adapter. We started off by scanning the back of the engine with a Creality Raptor. Then the mesh was brought into Fusion360 for manipulation. In Fusion, we drew a sketch and extruded it to use for the bell housing adapter. From there, we went over to the CNC machine to make a plate at a 1/4 inch 6061 to check the hole locations, the crank location, to make sure it made it up with the Ultra Bell also. Here it is test fit against the back of the engine and the Ultra Bell. It won't have the center part of it. We just had that there to check the crankshaft location with some feeler gauges to make sure we were on center. Here's the crankshaft to Flexplate adapter ring. Here it is after we printed on the Creality Ender 3. This is the Flexplate on the torque converter and on the back of the engine. We hope to go into production on a few more of these items in the coming weeks as materials and stuff become available. Here's another little project we've been working on here in the shop. We are currently making manual chain tensioners for the Vk56 also, again waiting on materials to machine. If you like this type of content and want to continue to watch us on our journey, please like and subscribe below. If you like the reverse engineering stuff as far as scanning and using Fusion and things like that, leave it in the comments below as to what you would like to see, whether it's my workflows or whatever it is. Thanks, and see you next time, guys.
I ain't even gonna make a test bed right off the trailer, right in your ass. Right off the trailer, right up in your ass. I ain't even gonna make a test bed off the trailer in your ass. That's what I'm gonna do. Off the trailer in your ass.